Hello, and welcome back to another edition of the Medeek Floor plugin. My name is Nathaniel P. Wilkerson, and today I wanted to introduce you guys to skewed hangers that I've recently added into the plugin and the built-in library. So first I'm going to jump into the global settings right here and load up the floor tab or floors tab. And you can see I've been slowly adding more and more parameters to this tab. So compared to the earlier videos, you're going to see that there's a lot more populated in here. But specifically, I want to go to the section right here on the right-hand side, which is joist hangers. And you can see that there are now quite a few parameters or slots here. So let's talk about this a little bit. First of all, with your regular, standard hangers, 90-degree hangers, you've got these first six. So you've got the start, end, and mid hangers. Now, and I think we've already discussed those pretty well. But the ones that I've added in recently are the skew hangers, which are basically 45 angled hangers, and you've got a left and right hand version for each one. And you'll notice too that when you open up these boxes here, these inputs, you're going to see, almost, I think there's 107 hangers now that are available to you. But when you open the skew hanger ones, you're going to only see there's quite a few less here, right? And there's only so many that I've created or built in. Now, granted, you can add in your own custom hangers that you like, your own components. So that is something that we will probably talk about later. But what you'll notice is right off the bat, all of these ones that are built in, the Simpson hangers, they all will start with SUR for right hand and SUL for left-hand hangers. And they're actually stored in two separate subfolders so that you don't mistakenly select a right-hand hanger when you want to use a left-hand hanger. So it keeps them divided, and I think it's better that way. Anyways, I've gone ahead and pre-selected these ones for at least the single ply for eye joists, so a 9-inch or 9.5-inch eye joist. So I'm going to just go ahead and leave all these default settings. Just wanted to show those to you guys. So let's go ahead and get started here, and we'll grab the grid tool, throw down a quick grid so we have something to reference against, and then I'm just going to just draw a very simple floor with a 45-degree cut kind of in it. I'm going to go ahead and leave, I think, all these settings default, and I think we're going to do eye joist floor. So basically now it's by default loading all of these hanger selections from the global settings, right? Now you can always change these once you've created your floor, or even now before you create your floor. But we'll just leave all those as they are. And let's go ahead and draw something here. Let's drop it right there. And, all right. And sometimes too, when you first create a floor, I've already actually created a couple test floors in this file. It will take a little while to generate with all the hangers because it's actually loading all of the components into the model. So it might have a slight lag, but it's fairly snappy. Okay, so what you'll notice here is, right, we've got a regular 90-degree IUS hangers here. But now over here, it's automatically detected your angle of 45 degrees, and it knows whether to throw a left-hand or right-hand hanger in there. Okay, so that's kind of convenient. You don't have to sit there and fuss about that. It will just select the left or right hand accordingly. But note that if you do an angle other than 45, it will not auto-detect. Well, it will auto-detect, but it will not place a 45-degree hanger there. I think by default it will just use a regular square hanger. So really, when it comes to skewed hangers, it can only handle 45-degree angles right now as far as custom hangers go and auto detection. So something to be aware of. One limitation of the algorithm right now, but at least we have we can handle 45 degrees, which is obviously the most common sort of skewed hanger that you're going to use. And I think it's actually the only off-the-shelf Simpson hanger that you can get. I mean, I know you can order custom angled ones, but 45 is, I think, the only one that you can order off the shelf. So anyways, yeah, that's skewed hangers. I think it's kind of an interesting feature to have available. But I will keep adding more hangers to the selection already. And if you have any specific requests for any hanger models, just let me know. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much.